Hello guys, welcome back. I am Tayyab Akbar with another video, how to rank YouTube video fast. Whether you are making videos as a social media influencer, a large brand, or someone just wanted to have fun, you are probably wanting your videos to show up first on YouTube. With the millions of video posted every year, this may seem like a huge feat. Like Google, YouTube has its own algorithm that systematically rank video based on many factors. But how do you get your videos to appear first on YouTube? Start with SEO or search engine optimization. What is SEO? Search engine optimization refers to how easy it is for a search engine to understand the content of your website and relate that to what a consumer is searching for. In short, SEO is what you do when you want your content to show up first on Google. Google has its system to ranking content based on many factors, and marketers are always looking for a way to improve their ranking on Google. What is YouTube SEO? YouTube functions similarly to Google. User search a term and video result appear instead of articles and products. The YouTube algorithm decide which videos show up according to many ranking factors. The easier YouTube can understand what your video is about, the higher it will rank the video. YouTube is looking for most relevant video with the highest engagement to arrange the first page. How do I increase my SEO ranking on YouTube? After you have made your video and posted into YouTube, you are likely going to want to make sure it shows up on the first page of YouTube search results. There are many factors that determine whether your video will rank high on YouTube. A few of these YouTube ranking factors are: number one, target keyword use; number two, audience retention; and number three, video engagement and subscribers. There is a main reason behind the YouTube algorithm is audience retention. Audience retention is how long you can keep your viewers engaged with your video. Video that have long view rates are going to rank higher on YouTube algorithm because it shows YouTube that your content is engaging the relevant. To ensure your audience retention is high, make sure your video is centered around the topic through the end, so viewers do not click off after it starts. You could also include an incentive to stay until the end of the video. This will help your YouTube ranking. Video engagement. Along with audience retentions, YouTube ranking depends on how users engage with your videos. This means the number of likes, comments, shares, and subscribers you are getting. The more engagement your video receives, the higher it will rank according YouTube ranking factors. To increase engagement, encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe to your video. To really elevate YouTube video engagement, share your videos on another platform, including on social media, in a blog post with more engagement. YouTube will see that your video is highly relevant to the audience and will rank the video higher. Okay, see you in next video. Take care.